In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay business account to personal. The main thing to understand right away is that eBay does not simply let you switch a business account into a personal account with one quick setting. Instead, the process involves closing the business account first and then creating a brand new personal account. So, if you've been looking for a direct conversion option, this is the key detail to keep in mind before you begin. To get started, you'll need to close the business account you're currently using. Make sure you take a moment to review that account before closing it, especially if there's anything important you may need later. Since this step is required before creating the personal version, it's best to handle it first so you can move forward without confusion. Once that's done, go to the eBay registration page and click Register. This is where you'll begin setting up the replacement account. If you're already on the homepage, the register option is usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. Take your time here because choosing the right account type is important for getting the setup you actually want. After clicking register, select the personal option. This step matters because eBay typically offers different account types during signup, and you want to make sure you're not choosing business again by mistake. A personal account is generally intended for individual buying and selling, so this is the correct selection if that's the kind of account you need moving forward. Next, enter the required information. Fill in the details requested on the form carefully and make sure everything is accurate before continuing. It's always a good idea to double check spelling and general account information during registration, because errors here can create issues later when you try to sign in or manage your account. Once all the information has been entered, click Create Personal Account. That completes the setup process and gives you your new personal eBay account. From there, you can start using it as needed. One final tip, because this process involves closing one account and creating another, it helps to move slowly and confirm each screen before proceeding. That way, you avoid accidentally selecting the wrong account type or entering incorrect details. And that's how to change an eBay business account to a personal one by closing the business account and creating a new personal account from scratch.